Hello, this is Shari from BVS Group. Today I would like to introduce our rugged Windows tablet for you. It's a waterproof, dustproof, and drop-proof rugged tablet. Built-in NFC, 1D, 2D scanner, fingerprint, camera, etc. It has 10.1-inch screen size, high resolution, high brightness, capacitive touch, multiple I/O ports like LAN port, USB port, HDMI port, earphone jack, COM port, etc. It comes with 12th generation Core i5, i7 CPU, big capacity of memory and storage, support Windows 11 operating system. More details, please don't hesitate to contact us. BVS, your reliable partner.